Hi and welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I will show you how to make Hawaiian pork bites on the Trompo King. Hey, welcome back guys. We're here today with Ron from Big Green Acres, South Florida. Hey Ron, thanks for having us and tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I like to grill with my family, and we do a lot of different kind of cooking. And you can find us on Facebook at Big Green Eggers of South Florida, and on Instagram I'm Captain Ron 302.
All right, and I have Noam here from Trompo King, and he's going to show us today how to do Hawaiian pork bites on the Trompo King.
So we have the unboxing of the brand new Trompo King that's coming out. We have a 4-spike system, and we're going to do the Hawaiian pork bites and wait till you see what comes out.
Well guys, we're very excited about this, so let me show you how to do it. For this recipe, we're using 4 pounds of pork loin with a fat cap and cutting it into 1-inch thick pieces. Add to that a pound of cherrywood-smoked bacon and also cut those into 1-inch thick pieces. Apart from the meat, we're using 3 red or yellow bell peppers and 1 pineapple. Cube everything into 1-inch thick pieces. Once everything is cut and diced, season everything with your favorite pork rub, and then stack it on the Trompo King, alternating meat, bacon, peppers and pineapple. Set your grill to indirect cooking at 250 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then add the barbecue sauce and raise your grill's temperature to 350 degrees. We are looking to finish the pork at an internal temperature of about 150 to 155 degrees. Alright guys, our Hawaiian pork bites are ready and let's get them served. Smells amazing.
It sure does.
Thank
Sure.
you.
Thank you.
This looks amazing. I'm gonna grab a little piece with a little bit of bacon right here. This looks pretty good. Wow. Let's check this out. Oh my god. This is really good. Good stuff.
Fantastic.
Oh,
What a treat.
oh man.
I really like the barbecue sauce on it. Look at this caramelized pineapple. Amazing.
Wow. Well, thank you. I really appreciate the opportunity today, guys.
It's been great. Thank you for hosting us, guys. Thank you for cooking. And I hope we see you guys soon again.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you everybody for watching, and if you like this episode, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and see you next week.